At Full Scale Co., we believe power comes from control. Control over your timeline. Control over your quality. Control over how your brand is built and how fast it gets to market. We're not just a design studio. We're not just a printer. We're the full system. A complete packaging solution from concept to completion. With our flexible packaging line now live in Golden, Colorado, we've taken that power to the next level. We design it, we print it, we pouch it, all in-house, all under one roof. What does that mean for you? It means quicker turnarounds, fewer delays, and more direct collaboration. It means you get to see, touch, and tweak your product in real time, with a team who understands your vision and is equipped to bring it to life. In a world that moves fast, Full Scale Co. helps you move faster, without sacrificing quality or creativity. From short runs to national launches, from mock-ups to shelf-ready packaging, we help you move with clarity, agility, and precision. This is more than packaging. This is production with purpose. This is what happens when you control the flow. This is Full Scale. We don't stop at flexible packaging. Our one-stop shop handles all of your company's printing and promotional needs. Looking for labels, stickers, or custom swag? We produce everything from custom apparel to keychains, lanyards, and other branded items, ensuring your brand is consistent across packaging and merchandise. Our design and print teams collaborate on every project, so you get professional, cohesive materials without juggling multiple vendors. Reach out today and let Full Scale bring every piece of your brand to life.